So now, guys, so let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day. Let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. This is our trend right here, guys. This is it. Our trend on GBP JPY is an uptrend move. We are trending to the upside. Now, we are going to go to the daily time frame and see the main movements. This is it. This is your high, right? And here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market then was able to give us an high. This is the pullback, which is an higher low. This is also a new higher high that took out this previous high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. You can see that this is a pullback, which is an higher low, right? But what market is doing right now, market is pushing up, so we would expect the push up to continue. So it is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So guys, we should be anticipating for the bullish move upward. The market is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So guys, the bullish move to the upside is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. So guys, whatever you're going to be doing on your GBPJPY to go bullish, right? Bullish move. Now let's take that to the forward time frame right here. When you have to zoom it in on the forward time frame a little bit, you will see also the trend is what? Also an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside. You can see a series of higher high and higher low going on. Your higher high and the higher low. This is also the higher high and higher low, which is a pullback. This is also a higher high and higher low, which is a pullback. So with this pullback, which is an higher low, right? We should expect market to eventually push up again to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So going for the buy, a bullish move is what you should be going for today, right? Now, let's zoom it in right here. You can see that market is giving us a multiple rejection zone right here. So you should expect market to push up on one side to take out this neckline, thereby fully forming a double bottom. Once that happens, market will most likely going to continue the movement upward. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.